Hi.
We are here for Riverdale Season 4, Episode 7, The Ice Storm. Sadly, Patty couldn't make it tonight, but hopefully she will be back for the next one.
She bring that handsome young man with her.
Yeah, Boots. We demand Boots.
Yes.
So for our drinking game, we'll drink for our Shawnee babes. We also have a new ship, which is Chick and Charles.
Yes.
So since Chick is an abbreviation of Charles, I don't know technically what their ship name is.
Yeah.
What? Chicklets.
The chicklets.
Ooh, I kind of like that.
We will drink when Veronica says Daddy and Hermosa says Poppy.
Oh my God, we're doing double.
Oh my goodness.
Double trouble.
Daddy.
Yes.
Oh my
Drink
God.
when FP says
Boy.
boy.
Sure.
What? And then finally, drink when you're uncomfortably attracted to a teenager on the show. Not in real life.
Totally.
They're all of age. And, you know, this is the Thanksgiving episode, so I think we're all thankful for that.
Yeah,
we
man.
are.
Totally.
Alrighty,
Absolutely.
let's do
Cheer
it,
River-
babes. Riverdale. River Daddy. I'm just calling everything
Yeah,
Daddy
right.
still from last week.
Mm-hmm.
Now that our boy Dodger is stable, we'll find whoever did this to him.
It's Darla!
It's, the one that tried to
Remember the
blackmail
Shady
him.
Man's
Oh
girlfriend.
my. Oh yeah.
That's crazy. They brought her back.
That's hilarious.
Biblical ice storm that they're predicting?
Biblical.
Biblical. Wait a minute. I didn't know this was taking place in Chicago. You kidding me?
This has been Tony's face this whole season.
Literally.
It
I'm so like,
has.
what the fuck?
Where did you get all of this?
I put in a to-go order at the country club.
I like how he's still shocked that she has money.
Daddy!
Oh, Daddy.
He's mayor now. He can do anything. And
Huh.
You can't do anything when you're mayor.
Can we push back?
I did for a couple of hours.
You're good man, FP.
Look, I'm not supposed to say this, but I know what I would do if I was in your place. Screw him.
Yeah. I'm sorry, but Hiram Lodge is not canceling Thanksgiving.
Good man.
Right back at ya. He almost said Daddy! I almost got one, guys! Riverdale!
Hey.
Oh.
Wow, that was fast.
You're gonna fuck that cap right off your head, buddy.
It's gonna go into fire soon.
Yeah.
Right now we have some catching up to do.
Oh, yeah!
Oh,
I don't know that
But I do have one request.
everybody's fucking in this holiday night.
Hey.
Oh my God.
Oh, love them!
The house to ourselves.
What does Trixie Mattel say? Thanksgiving, more like Thanks-living.
It's nothing personal.
Yes.
I'm drinking for that.
That's pretty
Poppy.
sick. Nice. She's still a little jelly of it though. Like,
Damn.
he just housed that fucking beer. That's hilarious.
That was for her.
Uh-huh.
I just miss him. It's not right.
No.
Oh, don't do this to me.
Alright.
Let's do this.
I thought this show is gonna just kind of.
Ooh.
I thought this show is just gonna never kind of like. They're like, okay, cool, we did our due diligence to kind of never pick it up again, but they keep coming back to it, and I think it's kind of cool.
There's a family legend Nana Rose shared with me on one of her more lucid days. That will be the centerpiece of a carefully planned performance art piece.
If you're admitting she's not lucid, why are you letting her watch toddlers?
Is that the same tie pin?
Yes.
Whoa.
This is the part where we freeze and starve to death.
No, this is the part where we get back in bed and order Chinese.
In a storm?
Yeah, you better be tipping real well.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
All the burger joints they have to walk into ours.
Of all the joints in all the world.
Would you like to join us?
B's like, why?
Yeah, it's like, oh no!
I can finally live out my Charlie Brown fantasy of having junk food for Thanksgiving dinner. Yes! Okay, I will.
That was so cute.
I'm getting like some Shining vibes. Like they're holed up in here. It's an ice storm. They're trapped in this big, empty place. They're the only ones there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
What do you want?
Yes!
We were scare you, Jones. Have a little fun. All right, well,
Y'all have a weird definition.
Oh
of
my
fun.
God.
I like how she's so upset. Why are you guys doing this?
Yeah, they act like fucking drugging people and burying them alive and fucking threatening them with like
You're the worst.
with axes. There's like this, like, oh, I'm just trying to have time, guys.
Diana, honey.
It's got me FP Jonesing for some fucking Thanksgiving dinner too, man. Shit.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Trademark pending. Yeah, who's gonna shut this down?
She is Darla.
Oh my gosh, and that Urban Outfitters teddy coat?
Yeah.
Betty Cooper giving stitches.
No fucking painkillers. Fuck you, dude.
Oh, spell.
Sam, don't threaten my boyfriend with an axe.
Oh!
Nice. Yeah, I would have been like, you can stitch yourself up, you fucking...
Holy shit, he found the note! He should have just, like, pocketed that note, Jack. I thought you were...
Yeah, why would you read that out loud?
Yeah,
detective.
right.
Let's give them a taste of their own medicine.
Oh! I don't know, I'm getting like a Final Destination feel from that frame.
Yeah.
Moving around. Oh my god.
They're doctor's family.
So...
Oh.
You don't want any trouble either.
What is with your family threatening children?
Come for the man who tried to kill our Dodger.
She put her gun down, someone tackle her.
Yeah.
Also, they look way better hygiene than Dodger did. Like,
Yeah.
do some laundry for your bro or something.
Let's say we pass the time with a game of Never Have I Ever.
I'll start. Never have I ever kissed a girl.
Are we playing?
Oh, we should play. I have, but as a joke.
Wait, didn't Betty make out with some...
That's why she put her thumb down.
Oh, okay.
Oops.
Oops.
Surprises in Riverdale, like the drug capital of the world.
I haven't been in a gang.
But you look so sweet.
Oh, well, I'm not as sweet as you may think.
Ever been in a secret society?
I guess the game's over.
I was at 3.
Same.
I wasn't playing.
Have you kissed a girl?
Yeah.
Been in a gang?
You would have been
No.
3 too.
No. Yeah, you would have been at 3. Done drugs?
Like, I'm on Tylenol right now. Whoa, the
She got one.
Okay.
RC, Mr. Chipping.
Mr. Chipping, yeah.
Donna's room in it.
Oh, it was in Donna's room.
Killers often take something from their victim as a...
Oh, she's putting some of that training
FBI
to work.
training,
yeah.
No offense to your guns, Monroe, but they have real ones.
Have a drawer full of weapons I confiscated out.
Now hold on.
Yes.
Oh, he's gonna do something.
Reese's the kid. Everyone stay back.
Ew.
And then you called an ambulance and no one would suspect you. But a mother, she knows.
Wait, Dodger is your
You!
son?
You are gonna pay.
What?
Your ass down.
Wait, but she was dating Shady Man who looked like 18 and Dodger looks 40. I mean,
Hey.
okay, sis.
More
Sure.
power
You
to
do
her.
you.
Confess, boy. Before things...
I'm gonna go with boy.
She said boy, yeah.
And
Let's
she
Boy.
said it just like FP.
She's like,
shit,
boy.
boy.
I wear the mask. I'm the dog too. Leave Archie alone. Hell up. It's not him.
It's me.
Yeah.
That's cute.
And boy,
Boy.
Boy.
He's literally alive too. Like, wouldn't you be at the hospital? Like,
Somebody
I'm
grab
so
the
mad
weapon,
about this.
please.
Veronica, get it.
Oh, shit.
Oh! Oh! Yeah!
Nice.
To protect myself against intruders with deadly force. So
Yeah, you do.
you have
Oh my God.
seconds.
I just want to see Molly Ringwald like
shoot a
hacking
guy.
heat. Mama Bear.
I'm obsessed.
I'm obsessed.
Yeah,
We're
yeah.
obsessed.
Hey, that turkey saved you. Don't cry
Right.
over it.
I appreciate the cooperation.
Oh, you're such a shithead, Hiram.
Daddy fight?
Is that why you try to murder me at the behest of my own wife?
Oh, shit.
Dad
Daddy fight.
Dad fight.
Whoa.
Dad fight.
I like it.
Dad fight. Oh.
I'd be so sick if he did.
But you deserve it. Everyone in this room and everyone in this town knows that you deserve it.
Damn.
That was hot.
That was sick.
That was
Whilst we all tuck into our
that was a thing.
The first blossom Thanksgiving.
I like that the doll is sitting with them. It has its own pie.
It has its own pie.
Oh my god, the meat pies.
Groaning so loud they drowned out the wind.
They're gonna say it's
Fuck.
Survive on blossom flesh.
I ate my brother Julian in the womb. And you're eating those meat pies we prepared especially for you.
yes.
No. They did not actually do it. Okay.
His ring.
Yeah.
Any evidence he was ever here was in the process of being digested.
Yes.
Think you know what it means? You will leave us the hell alone.
I'm
Do not knock on my door.
so feeling this.
Do not ask me to sell off Red Blossom Legacy. Would you like me to pack up the rest of Bedford for you in Tupperware?
I love this.
You went into my room? It was an accident.
You're like the queen of overstepping bounds,
Right?
bitch.
Y'all
What the
are
fuck
shady.
you talking about?
They're just mad someone else is just being sneakier than them.
Right.
Yes, Betty, work on her.
Where did you get this? We just want to know the truth. Mr. Chipping gave it to me, okay?
Were they? No! Oh my god.
And that's why he killed himself.
Or this is all elaborate. Elaborate.
Oh, they're double crossing.
The next day, he jumped out of a window.
This is fake.
I am a serpent. I was a serpent.
Hey.
Who says that I can't be sheriff and a gang leader?
Yes! Oh my god, can
And
she
she's here for it.
She suggested it!
Yeah.
This has to backfire on them. Though,
I'm gonna
right?
call this a Shoney moment.
Aw,
Oh,
yeah.
sure. Yeah.
It's a cute one. I would have just actually fed them Bedford.
They already killed him.
That's the way to get rid of the evidence.
Yeah.
Little creeper in the corner.
Oh, Julian.
In the meantime, how will we stay warm tonight?
Oh no. Oh no. Wait a tick. That is very...
So they're making child porn?
Yeah, that's illegal.
They might be 18 by now, but still, yikes.
It's true.
It's still yikes.
Yeah. I like that they're just continuing on with this dinner.
Dig in, everyone.
Aww.
Good to be here with you.
Aww.
I'm thankful for you guys.
Same.
Thankful for you. Aww.
Dr. Dickinson's family is at large and dangerous now.
He's gonna be gone. Oh!
Closely enough, huh, Doc?
Wow.
Where's Dr. Curdle Jr. BT Dubs?
Excuse me, Headmaster.
Oh.
No!
She got to him first.
But after Betty broke into her room, Donna felt like she had no choice but to talk to the authorities anymore.
Well, she still did it, though. I mean, like, so what? She's got to fucking answer for
Nah.
half the consequences. It's not on Betty.
Nah. They're all, that's what I'm saying. They're so manipulative.
They're
Yeah.
So, like, they don't care that this is gonna affect his whole family's life, even after his death. Like, that's sad.
Right, and you also think that Betty gives a fuck about what?
Yarnwall!
Yarnwall! She got that Yarnwall up fast.
I mean, she's in an FBI training program.
It's true.
Archie's playing guitar again! How cute! Oh, he has a new poster above his bed, too.
We are
the
the
wild
wild ones.
Without a doubt, the strangest Thanksgiving I've ever had.
We didn't even tell the cops. I pointed a gun at him.
What did...
Welcome to Riverdale!
Yeah, it's a far cry.
I'm gonna just start saying that now whenever something outrageous
Pretty
happens.
much.
Yeah, I've been thinking about that deep fryer exploding when it did. And what are the odds of that?
Ghost dads.
Aww.
Aww.
No. That's your dad watching out for us.
I think you're right. And that gives me an idea.
Aww.
You're gonna dedicate it to him? Sure. Totally.
Aww.
He'd be honored.
Aww.
Riverdale.
I heard all the time.
What am I supposed told us to do.
Talk to me.
I'm exploding.
Why do you think that is?
Are they finally getting a therapist? Thank God.
I love that actress.
Jesus. She's just slowly realizing how shitty she's been to Tony this whole time. You know what that is? I think that is completely the genesis of how I've turned on Cheryl. Is how manipulative she is to Tony.
I mean, usually she turns us on, but...
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Oh, you like Cheryl Blossom, eh? Oh, you don't like Cheryl, huh? I don't know where that voice came from.
I don't know.
Yeah, I was about to say, I feel like fucking Martin Scorsese around a bunch of fucking Marvel fans all of a sudden. You fucking...
I feel like a bunch of Marvel fans around Martin Scorsese.
Yes.
That's what you said, I know.
Sick.
It's funny.
You gotta leave that in now, because that's a great line to go on.